Hi, good morning everyone. Welcome to the Philippines. After we visited Kota Beach, now we are going to see the place called Ruins. In Bantayan Island, Kota Beach is a main attraction. You can see this video in my channel right now. Nearby the Kota Beach, there is a Santa Fe National High School and Elementary School located side by side. These students are very lucky because this school located at very beautiful beach. For me, I have to take 2 flights, 1 ferry and spend lot of money to come over here. The island you are looking at in this map called Bantayan Island. First, now we are going to see the place Ruins where is in the map. We already visited Santa Fe Port, Baigad Lagoon and Hilandagan Island and Virgin Island. These all the videos available in my channel right now. We switch to satellite mode. You can see Santa Fe Port. This is the Kota Beach. From Santa Fe Port to Kota Beach is only 20 minutes walk. As you can see, in the end of the Kota Beach, this side the place Ruins located. If you take a tricycle from Kota Beach, it takes 5 minutes to reach there. In the opposite of this place, there is a Greek restaurant bar available. This is the only restaurant near to this place. In this place have a rules and regulation. Please follow the rules and regulation. In some cases, it will save your life. This is the mansion which is built in early 90s. The owner of the property from Germany. When I was entered into the building, it had a lot of horror graffiti everywhere. Some of them really look scary. If you look any graffiti more than 3 seconds, it gives you chills and horror feeling, and it everywhere in the building. The owner who built the building, he left to Germany and he never come back. Because of that, this building was abandoned from 90s. Until now, the chaos climate and the weather took the building part by part. Now only you have the walls. Because of the unmaintained looks and the building condition, the local give the building name Ruins. Now it become like a famous tourist spot in Bantayan Island. So the tourists whoever come over here visiting this place. Actually this graffiti suit the building condition and match very well. Almost 35 years after, now in this building only the walls are standing. Thank you for watching. Please like and comment below and subscribe to the channel would be awesome. And that graffiti very creepy. One more plus point to this building, it is very close to the beach and it is a cliff area. But unfortunately today super low tide. This is the cliff jump. There is a missed opportunity because of the super low tide. Now the time to fly my drone. Even though it is a super low tide, the place still looks very good and the water very crystal clear. Behind you can see there is a airport. In this island you can do skydiving. The beach was super low tide right now. You have to go there evening 4 o'clock so you can enjoy the cliff diving from there. You can see there is a couple walking around. The water is supposed to be above their head. For me, I was there at the right place, but super low tide, that's why I couldn't jump in the water. You can see the steps over there. The water is supposed to be until there. This is the Pearl of Santa Fe lodging. This hotel very expensive. They charge you per night 5,000 pesos. And the next hotel, Cliffside Lodge. That is also very expensive, 5000 peso per night. My high recommendation is this Octagon Cave Resort. This will cost you 2600 pesos per night, but it will worth it because this resort have a cave swimming pool which is famous tourist spot in Bantayan Island, and there is one more resort nearby. This resort also cost you 2600 pesos per night. Nearby the ruins there is no shades or big trees which you can take rest. If you come in the sunny day, you need to bring lot of water, otherwise you supposed to be swimming in the water, then only you can escape from the sunlight. I recommend you bring lot of water. There is no shops nearby except that restaurant which is cost you little bit more money. Me and my brother didn't spend much time over there because the beach was super low tide. We couldn't do the cliff jumping, so we take some drone shot, we move on from this place. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and comment below, and subscribe to the channel would be awesome. I see you guys in next video soon. Thank you.